Hello student, Hemant Sajeev here. So now we are going to solve the first question of practice set 2.2 of the chapter called Pythagoras theorem. These questions are based on the Apollonius theorem. Okay. So the question says in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint on the side QR. That means it is the triangle and this is the side QR. On QR, S is the midpoint. So S will be the midpoint. So this point will be P. Okay, this is triangle PQR. Then if PQ equals to 11, see PQ is given, which is 11 unit, and PR, which is also given, PR is 17 unit, and PS is 13. PS it is 13. Then find QR. So we have to find QR. Okay. So we are going to solve the question now. So first, what we are writing? We are writing the given part of the question. Okay. So what is given? S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, we can write QS equals to RS, and which are equals to half of QR. Okay. Then what is given again? PQ equals to 11 unit. Then PR equals to 17 unit. Then PS equals to 13 unit. Now we have to write to find. What do we have to find? Find QR. So QR equals to question mark, that we have to find. Now solution. So we have to apply directly Apollonius theorem. Okay. So by Apollonius theorem. What is Apollonius theorem? According to this triangle, PQ square equals to PR square. It is plus PQ square plus PR square equals to twice of PS square plus twice of QS square. This is by Apollonius theorem. So we are already written here. So we do not have to write again. Okay. So now directly we will place the value. Okay. What is PQ? PQ is 11. So here we have to write 11 square plus PR is 17. So we have to write 17 square equals to twice of, what is PS? PS is 13. So we have to write 2 into 13 square plus 2 into QS square, that we have to find out. Then 11 square is 121 plus square of 17 is 289 equals to square of 13 is 2 into 169 plus twice of QS square. So we have to add. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 का 0 carry करेगा 1. 2 plus 10 is 2 plus 8 is 10 and 1 is 11. Again carry will 1. 1 plus 1 2 and 2 and 2 is 4. So 4 1 2 equals to 2 9s are 8. Carry will 1. 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. Again will carry 1. 2 1 is 2 and 1 is 3. Plus twice of QS square. Now we are transferring this to another side. Okay, so we are going to solve here. So twice of QS square equals to, we have 410 minus, see we are transferring this to another side, will come in minus 1. So it is 338. So we have to identify QS. So we will transfer this to another side. So here we have to write QS square equals to, see this is nothing but 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then here will remain 0, will become 10. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 3 and 3 is 0. See 2 को हम ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, so will come in divide form. So QS square equals to 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So we will get 36. So QS square equals to 36. So what will be QS? QS equals to 6. अगर हम रूट लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा, रूट से स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, will remain QS and root 36 is 6. Now QS we have got which is 6. See हमको QS मिला है और ये कितना है अभी 6 है. But here where here QS equals to half of QR. Since QS equals to half of QS equals to, or we can write QS equals to half of QR. Half of QR. Therefore, what is QS? It is 6. So we have to write 6 into half of QR. See, ये अभी डिवाइड में 2 इधर आएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई में आएगा. So what we can write? We can write QR equals to 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Therefore, QR equals to 12. So this is our answer. Okay. So we have answer. So we have to write result now. So result. हमको QR निकालना था, QR we got, that's why we are writing result. The measure of QR is 12. Okay, and it is our answer. Okay, so students, this is the way you have to solve the questions. Okay, so by using Apollonius theorem we have solved this problem. Okay, so write down now, then we are going to solve the next problem. So students, now we are going to solve the second problem. Second problem says in triangle ABC, AB is 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Find the length of the median drawn from point C. See, we have drawn this medium from point C, so that will be C to the side AB. So we have drawn this C from the C median on the side AB. So that will be A and that vertex will be B. Okay, and let M is the median from the point C. Okay, so what is given in triangle ABC? AB is 10. So AB is 10. It is 10. Then AC is 7. AC is 7. So it is 7. Then BC is 9. BC is 9. Then we have to find the length of median, that means C, and we have to identify. Okay. So first we have to write given. So what is given? CM is the median on side AB from C. Okay. Therefore, AM equals to BM, and which is equals to half of AB. Then What is given again? CA or AC. AC equals to 7 is given. Then BC equals to 9 is given. And AB equals to 10 is given. Okay. So AB is 10. So half of AB, that means AM or MB. So AM will be 5. So AM will be 5 because it is a half of AB. Okay. So now we have to write to find. So to find. What we have to find? CM, which is the length of median. CM, that we have to identify. Now solution. So in solution, directly we are applying Apollonius theorem. So by Apollonius theorem, according to the Apollonius theorem, we can write AC square plus BC square equals to twice of CM square plus twice of AM square. We have all the values of AC, BC and AM, so we have to place them. Therefore, what is AC? AC is 7. So we have to write square of 7 plus what is BC? BC is 9. So we have to write 9 square equals to twice of CM square, that we have to identify. Now twice of what is AM? AM is 5. So 5 square. So square of 7 is 49 plus square of 9 is 81. See, we are transferring this to another side. Okay. So we will come in negative form. It is in positive, we will come in negative. So it will be 2 into square of 5 is 25 equals to what will remain here? Will remain 2 into CM square. Okay. Now 49 plus 81. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 ka 0. Carry will 1. 1. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. And 12 plus carry 1 is 13. So it will be 130. Minus 25 into 2 is 50. Equals to twice of CM square. Twice of CM square. So twice of CM square equals to 0 में से 0 गया 0 and 13 में से 5 गए 8. So what will remain? 80. So now we have to find CM square equals to, see, 2 will transfer to another side. It is in multiple form, will go in division form. So we can write 80 divided by 2. So CM square equals to 40. Now we have to take root. So CM equals to root 40. So what is the value of root 40? Root 40 is CM equals to, it is 2 root 10. So when 2 will go inside, 2 2's will become 4 and 4 10s are 40. Okay. So the value of root 40 is 2 root 10. Okay. And that is our answer. यही हमको प्रूफ कर निकालना था और हमने निकाल लिया है. Therefore we have to write result. So what will be result? The measure of CM, the measure of, what is CM? CM is median. The measure of median drawn from point C on AB is 2 root 10, and that is our answer. Okay. So students, this is the way we had to apply Apollonius theorem. Okay. So students, these two questions are really very simple and important because we are applying Apollonius theorem for measuring one of the side of the triangle. Okay. So students, please to concentrate and for better understanding do keep repeat this video once. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.